I'm really curious to see all the ergonomic features on this chair.
Oh, sure, Gail. The JV Generation chair has a very ergonomic design that's different from most chairs on the market. What we're proudest of is the exclusive seat tilt feature, which benefits both the dental team and the patient. From the patient standpoint, the seat tilt, which is the only chair that allows the patient to be rocked back, maintains a proper spinal alignment for the patient. And from the dentist point of view, what happens is then you can recline the patient further back than any other chair. And this allows the dentist to work with their arms by their side rather than raising their arms up and causing musculoskeletal disorders. In addition to that, because of the slim, narrow back, the doctor can actually work from 9 o'clock position all the way around to 12 o'clock without any twisting or reaching to access the oral cavity.
That's great.
The final exclusive feature that we have on our JV Generation is an air glide. The air glide is activated with a toggle on the bottom, which we just simply activate, and then we can move the chair around.
Wow.
Just using one finger. And this is good for cleaning an operatory or when there's a handicapped patient and we need additional access to get into the room. Other products that we have are the Team Workstation, which has a 1 o'clock delivery, which allows the dentist to simply access the handpieces right from this position, again, without any twisting or turning.
Right, that's great.
In addition to that, we have our Generation stool line, and on the Generation stool, we have 3 features. We have height adjustability, we have a lumbar support, which is adjustable, and a 15-degree seat tilt that allows for proper blood flow in long procedures. So these are the main ergonomic benefits that we have with the Dental Ease equipment products.
No, that's great. Well, thanks very much for showing us those.
Oh, you're very welcome, and thank you.
And what else are we going to see today?
Now I'd like to introduce you to Cass Campbell, who is our Senior Star Dental Manager who handles the handpiece line.
Great, looking forward to it. Thanks.
Thanks, Gail.